Hello, this is Colt from Spit and Text Upholstery. I'm doing this myself today. So we're going to put, like I talked about, we're going to put the binding around the underside of the boat top, the bow front top. Okay, so bear with me. See if I can zoom in on this. I don't know how that works. Okay, so got my, there we go. I got my pockets. I'm going to show you how to start on this. You want it, remember, like I said, you want to sew it right on the edge. I don't know, about roughly 1/4 of an inch. Okay. You don't want the top side to be seen when you put the bias tape on, okay? So that's why you want to make it kind of shallow. It ain't going nowhere. So here's a straight run here. And I just got done serging the whole perimeter and the middle. So we are at the front. So when you come up to an end, little trick. Plant your needle, bend your course the way you're going. And then just cut that little wedge out, okay? See how I did that? And then we come up to the end, we backtack, we come back down to where we were, turn our fabric, and we start walking around. Make sure it stays flat, okay? And you bring it right up to that serge line. You want to cover that serge. That's basically a guide for where you should be sewing. Make sure you have green thread. In this particular instance, you want matching thread, whether it's red or whatever kind of top you're doing. So these corners here, you can do little relief cuts like that. See what I mean? Just to get it to lay a little better, give you a better idea. When you come back to sew the top down. And it'll lay down for you. Don't you see that? Now we come around there and those little relief cuts. When you come back over and go to sew that down, it's not going to distort the other side, the top. So, like I said, that'll be your guide. Is you just want to cover that serge.